You spend a lot of money on Easy Level. Why do you continue to use Easy Levels?
Pretty much the reason we use it is because we do a lot of insurance work and we remove cabinetry and leaving countertops supported in place. And so in order to get all the cabinets back in underneath the countertops without breaking the countertops, we cut the box down by about a ½ inch and install the Easy Level so they can be slid back in underneath the supported countertops, and we can restore the kitchen back to its pre-loss condition. What we did prior to this is we'd have to cut the boxes down, make sure they're at least a ½ inch short, and then we had pieces of 3/4 inch birch plywood that we would just, try to squeeze in underneath the cabinets to level them out with those, and then finish them with shims. And trying to reach back to the back of the box, we'd have to cut shims and run ½ inch birch shims the whole length of the foot of the cabinet so that you can push it back, We like the fact that we can actually tie all the cabinets in a run together and level them all out at one time. So we can tie 2 or 3 cabinets together, slide them in, and just level them all up at one time. And you don't have to do one cabinet box at a time. You can actually, screw them together and then put them in and level them out. Another part of it is flooring. Because we're in the insurance side of things, a lot of times the flooring is replaced. So we can get them back in, level them up, raise them back up, and then the flooring can kind of be tucked in underneath because they're raised up a little bit. The flooring can get tucked in underneath the cabinetry. And so we can actually, it helps us get the kitchen work done and the homeowner back into their homes faster because you're not waiting for all the flooring to be done. We can do it before the flooring goes back in.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah. We roll it into our price to the insurance company. Most of our jobs, the insurance company is the customer, and so they're approving our estimates. They see the results of it, and every time we bring an insurance company in to see our process, they're like, wow. And nobody else in Denver even does it. Nobody knows about this. By not having to demo out all the countertops in the kitchen, they're saving thousands and thousands of dollars. And then another part of the whole insurance side is there's a thing called ALE, additional living expenses. And so the ALE requires that if you have a loss in your home, you demo out your kitchen. If you don't have an operating kitchen, they have to put you up in a hotel or pay for food at restaurants for like 3 meals a day. And so additional living expenses is a huge expense in the insurance industry. When we're able to keep the customer in the kitchen because we leave their sink and countertops in place, we're able to avoid those costs to the insurance company. We've talked to customers before and just told them, look, do you want to be in this situation again? Now the cabinets are sitting off the ground on stainless steel feet. And if you do have the same type of loss, the cabinets are not sitting in the water. You can basically dry it out by just taking the toe kicks off. You can dry out underneath the cabinets most times. And so it's a lot better from a future water damage situation.
Yeah, for sure. Well, brother, I can't thank you enough. This is awesome. All right, my friend. Thank you again. I appreciate it. I always love talking to you, Joe.
All right, likewise, Brooks. Thanks, man.
Have a good one. Talk to you.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye now.